Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how you can actually refund your skins or anything in Valorant. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and check if you have any skins in your account. Of course, you'll have some skins if you actually came here to this video, so make sure that you have skins to actually watch this video. Next thing I will need you guys to check if you used your weapon at least once. If you used your weapons at least once, you can't really refund that weapon or the skin. So if you use the skin once in 14 days, or like you have the skin like more than 14 days and you try to ask for a refund, you can't really get that. So the only two conditions are you are going to ask for this refund in less than 14 days, and then you didn't try this skin yet. Of course, you have to even not try it in a custom game or a practice game, so you shouldn't use it at all. Now, what you should do is basically go ahead and open your browser, and here you will find, if you went to Valorant support, you will go ahead and search for refund. And here you will ask how to request a refund, and here you will have this list. So here you will find that you can get refund of used weapon skins, upgraded weapon skins, used in-game content, gun bodies, player cards, etc., character contract levels, weapon skill levels, weapon skill bundles, premium battle passes, premium battle pass levels, and radiant points. Now, in order to actually get the refund, you just have to submit a ticket. So click here, and first of all, you will have to, like, let me just refresh this page, and basically it will show you here this button. So click L to see if there is any skin in your wallet that you can actually refund. If you have, just go here, request, search for refund or in-game something like that. Let's search for it, billing payments, premium currency refunds, and then you will just have to pick, for example, just write here what you want to do, a refund description, and here just put what your inquiry, and then here you can just add a picture of the skin. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.